are very happy and proud that we received this award from the International Investors magazine, especially the period that we are living at the moment. Of course, we were supposed to receive this award in a completely different setup with a big celebration, but still we are very, very happy because we managed to get this award, to get to this stage, even during the current situation. So for this reason, me as part of the company, I wanted to personally thank all the people involved in us getting this reward and award. And first of all, I wanted to thank you, the CEO of the company, Mr. Karim, that is always like the first one in line to be the most innovative and to change things when you need to change them, and to be like always to keep up with the current situation, and the management team and all the people that work behind, and also our traders. First of all, we wanted to also thank you, our funded traders that joined our program and that helped us to grow in a period like that, and that basically means very, very a lot. We are very proud, and me personally, I am super proud of this award as part of the company, but also as Federica. I joined this company almost 3 years ago now, and this is exactly what I wanted to achieve, like to grow with together with the company, and to achieve day by day, year by year, always better results. So thank you.
I just wanted to say a big thank you to the international investors for the award that we just received. And I also wanted to say thank you to all the people from AudaCity that have been working very hard, as well as the traders that have been trading with us day in and day out. So a massive thank you from my side, and have a good day. Bye-bye.
Hi, we at AudaCity Capital are very happy and grateful for the new award and the recognition from the international investor. Thank you to all our traders from all over the world for the great work, and we hope to continue being excellent.
I'd like to thank the international investor for the award, and recognizing our efforts, our team's efforts, and just like to thank our team and all our investors, and hopefully can keep on progressing and win many more awards in the future.
I wanted to say a special thank you for the award by the international investor, Excellence in Trading Innovation and Excellence in Professional Trading. This is a merit that it's only possible thanks to all our traders, really, all our team. Just building a company as a big team rather than just a company. So a big family makes it much more successful, and that's where we believe that our success lies in.
I'm John Ozzie, Head of Training at AudaCity Capital. I'm here just showing our appreciation for the award we've received from the International Investor magazine. I've been at AudaCity Capital for just over 2 years now. It's been a lot of hard work, especially 2020. It's not been smooth, but we have to thank our traders, our support, PR, logistics, and the CEO himself. He's been very innovative. He's come with different ideas and different plans to combat the pandemic, working remotely, which has been a challenge for some of the traders with the mindset and risk management. But as a team, we've all worked so hard and we've got it together. And this award is recognition of our hard work, with all the value and support and respect we got from all team members. And as an employee, I will say it's been an honor to work for the CEO. He's been very supportive, helps us grow, motivates us, and makes us feel part of the AudaCity family. And I look forward to 2021.
Getting an award in the business world is very important. It gives you motivation, and it's just like a fruit of years of hard work. For that, I would like to thank the International Investor magazine for this award. It was really a good experience for us to learn from, because the selection process, it wasn't that easy comparing to other competitors who are with us. For us, it was really a positive thing, a learning curve, and just a thing to motivate us to do good things in the future and to achieve more things for our traders.